Okay, we're going to do a lesson on IXL. Okay, they're going to show us a data table of a relationship, and we need to think about two things. Number one, is it proportional? And if it is proportional, you want to write an equation that represents the information. Okay, notice when you get onto IXL now, I set it up so that there is a button to click so you can hear them read. You can hear the problem read to you. Okay, if that helps you, please use that. Okay, but let's go over this problem together. This talks about Addison pedaling and the number of times the wheels rotate. Okay, and we have a data table. We want to first make sure it is proportional. Okay, it is proportional if every y divided by x is equal to the same thing. Make that bigger. So if I take the y value of 2 divided by 1, I get 2. If I take 10 divided by 5 in the second row, I get 2. If I take 16 divided by 8, I get 2. And if I take the last row numbers, I take 18 divided by 9, I get 2. Okay, so because y divided by x is always the same number, okay, in this case, 2, that means this is proportional. And on this problem, actually, it does say it already is. There is a proportional relationship, but on some problems, it's going to ask you. So I wanted to go over that. Okay, once you get the constant of proportionality, and you want to find an equation, all you have to do is take that constant of proportionality and put it between y equals and the x. I want to prove to you why. Okay, the equation is y equals 2x. But let me show you why. If you go back to the data table, if I take 2 times the x value of 1, I get the y value of 2. If I take 2 times the x value of 5, I get 10. If I take 2 times the x value of 8, I get 16. And if I take 2 times the x value of 9, I get 18. You see that? So every time, 2 times the x value always gives me y. Okay, just mush your 2 and your x together since they're multiplied. 2x equals y. And just for whatever reason, they like that rearranged to be y is equal to 2x. Okay, so you find your constant of proportionality, and the constant of proportionality would be in between the y equals and the x. Okay, so if I was doing this problem, the only thing I would have to do is, since y equals is already there, I would type in 2x and click submit. Okay, show you one more thing. Maybe you have to get to about 65 SMART score to be asked this. If you look at this next problem, it says the data below shows the relationship between the amount of pecans Isabel's grandfather uses, X, and the number of pralines he makes, Y. Okay, they're asking you, according to the values in the table, is this a proportional relationship? Okay, so that's back to what we did before. You want to see if the y value divided by the x value is always the same thing. Okay, so you would want to take 30 divided by 6, 35 divided by 7, 65 divided by 13, 100 divided by 20, and see if you get the same thing every time. And if you do, you would click yes, it's proportional. And if that would be a no, you would click no, it's not proportional. Okay, guys, let me know if you have questions with this. Shoot for a SMART score of 80. Please let me know if you have any problems.